Hi there, I'm Daryl Williams from FandangleProductions.com and welcome to part 12, the tutorial on how to build a GIF viewer using wxFormBuilder. So we'll be working on the final code and this should bring the whole tutorial to an end. Okay, so where we left off with our GIF viewer is where we can't see it in this code. Because it's invisible. The GIF viewer is invisible. Okay, we have an issue here with this gap. Okay, this list box has a sizer to make it increase in size vertically, and this one is to increase size vertically and horizontally. Now look what happens when I stretch the frame. There's this gap, and the issue is with this sizer. So we need to go into, just to reduce that, this is our list box sizer. So this is where the issue is. So the list box sizer is horizontal, yes, and we go over here and this should be proportion 0. You notice that this bounced back to there. That's it. That's all you have to do. So if this is 1, that means that this box sizer will expand all the way across. Okay, so making it 0, making this box sizer 0 means it will not expand horizontally because its orientation is horizontal. It will not expand horizontally. Whereas if we pull this down, it's expanding vertically. And now we don't have this issue with the gap. So we'll save that, generate the code, then we've got our GIF viewer code, and we'll bring up clean frame here, run it, F5. Remember, it's saving as backup. The GIF viewer saves as backup. Press F5. That's run. We open up the backup file. Now before we copy this, we will run, we can't see it. Okay, we can't see it. Yes, we can, because we put the code to run the GIF. So we'll run that. Browse. It's taking a while. Cancel that. Try it again. On the side. Yep. C. Yep. There. And where are we going? Builder. Templates. GIF viewer. That one there. GIF folder. Populate that. Okay. Now, when I extend this, you notice the gap gets wider and wider and wider, right? And we restricted the width. In fact, we can make it a bit up to there. We want this to be 10 pixels. Okay, now we've got the code for the minimum size, but first we need to make this, alright, we'll make that 35, and this one here 35. Save that. Okay, and we're not running the GIF viewer. Now we'll run this. Global name backup is not defined. Now what's happened there? Here we go. BK, GIF viewer, line 25. 23, oh, look at that. What's that doing there? Must have typed it there by mistake. Save that, run it. Okay. And with the magic, okay, and with the magic of video editing, okay, there's the image. Yep, so it's going wider. But yeah, we've restricted the minimum size, so we've got a bit of a gap there. That should be about this width here. So we'll increase that to 45 and that to 45. Save, Control S, F5 to run it again. Right, once again, the magic of video editing. Voila. Okay, the gap is wider. It could probably go another 10. Okay, so I'll increase that to 55 and that one to 55. Save that. Now we'll make this smaller width-wise. And then here, we're not going to copy this because that's a different size. But we'll copy from here downwards to both. Copy that. Yeah, don't copy on paste on there. So you go to this line till you get to both. Paste. Right, now we'll close the back up. Save and run. Okay, so once again, the magic of video editing. Voila, here we go. And the gap is wider. Remember, we added another 10 pixels. Now, when we resize, okay, it stays there. Now, when I expand, yeah, that's fine. That's it. Done. Complete. And we will remove this code. I thought we'd have to add something for resizing, but that's not a problem. It's working fine. And that problem would be with the static bitmap. That's another story. Okay, so that's it. You've done it. That's the whole code to create the GIF viewer. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below this video on YouTube in the comments section. I would love to hear from you guys. I have another tutorial in mind, and it may be a very long tutorial, but I think it will be worthwhile because there's not much information about it. I won't give it away. Okay, please leave a comment. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. 12 tutorials in total and more to come. So for now, enjoy the tutorials. Goodbye.